Hello everyone, I'm Emily Schramm.
And I'm Andrew Seeley.
I am going to be putting you through 5 strength and fitness workouts.
And I'll be guiding you through 5 epic yoga flows.
We cannot wait to guide you through the 10-day
Wellest
Challenge. I've been so grateful for this opportunity to be here in Greater Palm Springs.
We'll have 10 days of alternating yoga and fitness. We'll be starting with yoga to really get you in flow with your core.
And we're gonna be also complementing that yoga with strength training. And it's gonna be so fun to see how they can perfectly combine together. We're also gonna be having 5 recipes each to provide for you guys so that you can not just move better, but eat better.
You'll have a virtual yoga studio where you have the opportunity to communicate to other people who are going through this challenge worldwide with you.
So much more fun to have challenges with people that are being challenged as well, but the best part is both of us will be joining that Facebook group and you can ask us questions. Make sure that as you grow and as you see these workouts and think, oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this? We got your back. It is only free for 10 days and then you have to access it on Wanderlust TV. So sign up, you have 3 weeks to do it and you are going to miss out if you don't. Yo.